How to set Spotify song as ringtone, Android or iOS. Setting a Spotify song as your ringtone depends on the type of phone you have, as the process can differ between Android and iOS devices. Since what we have here currently is an Android device, we will use the Android device first. So you need to open your Spotify application and look for the song that you wish to use as your ringtone. Once you found the song, you just need to go to the page, and as you can see beside the heart icon, below the name of the singer the singer, you just need to click on the download icon beside the heart icon there. Once done, what you need to do is go to your App Store or Play Store. Once you go to your App Store or Play Store, you need to search for Ringtone Maker application, and then you just need to download it. Once you have downloaded it, you just need to open the Ringtone application and look for the downloaded song on your device library. You just edit the song by selecting a section on which you want to use as your ringtone, and then you just need to adjust this, and then you just save the song that you have edited. Once you are done editing the song, you just need to go into your music library and look for the song that you edited using the application, and then you can go ahead and go to the menu or the settings on that song, and then you just need to use the song or set it as your ringtone. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.